I want to talk first about a template layout we have set up for you. So if you double click here on the navbar, you're going to be taken to the main layout we have set up. And this is basically a navbar and a footer that is going to be on every page on the template. For example, if you look at the home page, then scroll down, you're going to see the footer. The same for the about page. Every page has the same template layout. As you can see here, if you click on the navigation bar in the right side, you can see the template section in the properties panel, and you can see the layout is set to main. So this is where you can change or style it as you want. For example, if you are in this page, now we can actually go inside the navigation bar or the footer by doing the same, just double clicking. And now we have the navigation bar component. And you can see here all the different frames and stacks we used. And it's really easy to change anything. For example, your logo, just click on it. And then on the right side, you're going to see under the style section, a fill option, which is the image we used. So here is where you're going to change your image, and then just select it, or you can just drag and drop it here. We always recommend for the resolution to be on auto, because this is going to be the best response Framer is going to actually do or get for their servers. So it's going to have the best quality, and also it's going to be fast. And we also recommend to have always an alternative text for your different images. This is to help you with SEO, so Google knows what the image is about, and also for accessibility for people who use devices. For example, people who is blind, that use like screen readers or stuff like that. And also, if you want to start changing the name of the navigation items, you just click on it and then go here on the text section, and in the content, that's where you can change it to something else if you want. Let's say price, and then you can see how it's going to change. And you can do the same for each entry. Just click on it, scroll down to where the text section is, and then in the content, that's where you're going to change. The same for the button, just click on it, scroll down, but here you're going to scroll down to the button property component we created, and then you just gonna change the name if you want to. Let's say you want to be contact instead of inquire. So the same is for the footer. We are back in the main layout. Now we double click the footer, and we're gonna be taken to the footer component. Here we use a text, not a logo, but you can of course use a logo if you want to, but we recommend just to leave it like this, but just put your brand name here. And also, if you click on any individual link, you can do the same. Just click, scroll down to where the text property lives, and then in the content, you can change it to whatever you want for any link we have set up here. Also for the terms of privacy, if you want another name, you can do the same and just change it here. So that's basically everything you needed to know about the main layout we use for every page.